Hey guys, thought I'd make a video on a recent Lawn-Boy I picked up. This will be like a new little project for me. So around March, I picked this mower up down in New Jersey. Some guy down in the Pine Barrens had it up for sale. So I picked it up in a commercial model as well. So according to him, he had used it last year and it's sat ever since. So the story on this is it's a model 4570, and you kind of don't see many of these 4-square models around anymore. I mean, the staggered wheel is the most common Lawn-Boy you'll come across nowadays anyway. And these are mostly set up for either bagging or mulching, as you can see. It's got the plate on there. But yeah, they have the bag that wraps around and fits right between the handlebars. So what's neat about this mower actually is that when he sold it to me, he had all the original paperwork from the gentleman he bought it from. He had the bill of sale, all the service records and everything. So I thought that was really neat. You kind of don't see that anymore when you buy these mowers. You know, most of them have an unknown history. And here is the dealer it was bought from. Like I said, it's from New Jersey. But yeah, otherwise this thing, I think, you know, it's dirty, but they definitely maintained it. It seems tight from what I can tell. It's a steel deck, and you know, there's minor surface rust here and there, but otherwise it seems pretty solid. And also a newer blade, as you can see. A lot of the paint hasn't even worn off yet. A little rust spot right there, but no biggie. So yeah, anyway, it's an F-Series engine, F100 actually. Let's see. And also pre-compliance model, meaning that it has no safety bail or anything. And I like these. They're really simple. There's not much to them. So it's a 4570. It's a 1979 model. And you know, not too shortly after, they discontinued all the pre-compliance models. I think it was around 1984. So this was made a little bit before then. So anyway, it's got pretty stale gas in it. Smells pretty bad, but they have the fuel shut off. So I don't know what's in the carb or not. I might just take it off anyway. Take a look inside, clean it out. And you can see this is like the high-low speed carb. It's a plastic carb, light and normal. That's how this works. Hooked directly to the governor. So yeah, this is just a little project I'll be working on the next couple days. Definitely going to clean it up after I get it running. Shine it up a bit. Not going to paint it. The original paint's actually pretty nice for a steel deck. Usually the paint, all the paint just chips off. All right, so I got the carb all cleaned up and put back together. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Give her a prime. Pull away.